Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is June 1st. Happy new month to you. I hope that you are staying focused on all of your goals. All right, I was just trying to make sure that I was live and I could see myself. All right. I'm going to type this up so I can have it on the screen and ready for next session. But here we go. Father God, I thank you for giving me the power and authority to get wealth according to Deuteronomy 8 and 18. Father, you promised you'd make all the works of my hands prosper in Deuteronomy 30 and 9. So thank you, Lord, for all of my trades prospering. Lord, I declare my eyes are anointed to find the perfect trade setups and entries that will always hit my take profit, because in Isaiah 48 and 17, you promise you teach me how to profit. It is written in Ecclesiastes 11 and 1 that I am to enter into foreign trade, because you will make me to profit. Therefore, I do not lose any trades. Just like the servant in Matthew 25 and 16 who traded 5 talents and made 5 more, my money will always grow in my trades. In fact, you promised to multiply me 1,000 times according to Deuteronomy 1 and 11. Lord, because I am Abraham's seed, you will certainly make me prosper, as you promised in Genesis 32 and 12. According to Proverbs 8 and 18, with me are riches and honor, enduring wealth and prosperity. I stand on Psalm 128 and 2, whereby I will eat the fruit of my trades, and blessings and prosperity shall be mine. Every day is a prosperous trading day for me, in spite of what the market is doing, because I am in agreement with Psalms 25 and 13. Prosperity will always be mine because I submit to God and I am at peace with Him, according to Job 22 and 21. I speak to the forex and cryptocurrency markets and decree, come now prosperity, as in Psalms 118 and 25. I come against all demonic forces, principalities, spirits, and generational curses of poverty, and I declare and decree in accordance with Psalm 30 and 6, in my prosperity I shall never be moved. Isaiah 55 and 11 declares your word does not come back to you void, but it must prosper where you sent it. Therefore, I stand in confidence that this declaration and decree that I have made from my place of authority, according to Revelation 1 and 6, has come to pass. And today's affirmation of the day is, I am not a greedy trader. Say it with me. I am not a greedy trader. All right, so we're going to go into US 30. It's 9:18. And the market New York session opens at 9:30. So going to try to catch this move. As soon as the chart comes up. Alrighty. Come on. There we go. Alright, so yesterday I got a stop loss hit on my US 30 trade. Come down to the 15-minute. I rushed into it. So it came out of these two trend lines. And I was like, okay, yeah, got a retest right here. Let's enter. Went straight up to the other side. So bounced back and forth. And it hit my stop loss of 199 points. So that's there. And then I noticed on the 1 hour that, okay, I can put a fib on here. I have point A and point B, and it's toggling around the 618 right now. So I am currently in a sell, but I'm going to clear my chart, and we are going to box in price, because I might not be right. So with US 30, I always like to do my top dollar analysis every day. So I'm going to mark December 2021 highs. And then I don't do any specific colors. I just do all black for US 30. And I'm going to mark what was May's low. And look how price finished. It pushed up. And now we are in June. We're going into a new month. So we got a new monthly candle. All right. Where are we in the week? What's today? Today's Wednesday. Yep, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at that nice engulfing candle off of the low. Let's see. I am actually not going to mark anything on the weekly. Nope. Yes, I am. I'm going to mark right here. Because these two candles bodies closed below, and then these wicks came up and touched it, and these are weekly candles, so that's an important zone. Let's go to the daily. All right, so it looks like price currently just broke out of this zone, possibly a retest right here. Yeah, you see how those came to this zone perfectly, turned around, it broke it, retested and fell. Looks like we are on the right track. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. Just one trend line on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, let's see. This is April 2022. Yep, we're gonna mark this area. There we go. Just boxing in price on US 30. Ain't touching nothing. Okay, there we go. All right. This is current price. This happened in the past week, May the 20th. So almost 3 weeks. It's been in this ascending channel. So it did break and retest this zone right here and shot up. And it is currently toggling around my 200 MA, which is this red line. I was trying to see if there's another zone in between here. Because price started here and here. Visually, it looks nice. And it looks like it had a little issue right there as well. I'm going to leave it. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Came over to my other US 30 chart because this was a, what was it, a daily fib? Right. So we had our point A, our point B, point C, and D. It did complete. So yes, we are in a buy price reverse. I, was wanting to see this retest, which it looks like that's what it did. And it looks like it's going to continue in this buy. So let's see. Where can we get in? Let's go down to the 30-minute. What do we have here? Look like price is coming in to fill all of this imbalance over here. See this whole area where price shot down and nothing traded up into it. US 30 forever has imbalance to fill. So yeah. I am now looking for where I can place my buy fib. And this fib has definitely already completed. The next spot that I see would be here. Let me delete the other one. so I can see this one clearly. And I don't really like how that looks. Because we did not get a full, complete pullback. All right, I'm gonna go down to the 30-minute, try to lock in price. I'm not seeing another zone that I can mark up. Maybe get a break and retest here. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Yep, I can put it right here. Okay. So, currently going to look for a break and retest of this area for a buy. So it's 9:31. What's going on? We didn't get no spike, no nothing. I'm gonna go down to the 5-minute. There we go. There we go. Now we wait. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle. 5-minute candle to close. This 5-minute candle to candle. And I'm gonna check on GJ and EJ. Cause we up. Ooh, what? Why is it playing with me? Give me my TP2. Okay. So I knew we were gonna have some issues around this area where price stuttered for a bit. This lasted for a week. Ugh, that's ugly. So this is a pretty significant zone. And I don't know whether to mark it above or below at this point for support and resistance. I know, right? That 5-minute candle. That's how US 30 does. I'm going to leave it be. I did take partials at TP1 and my stop loss is here at entry. So this is a risk-free trade. Just waiting on TP2 to hit. Last I checked on EJ, it was close to TP3. Look at that. Look at that. 317 pips loading. EJ moved really, really smoothly. Really nicely. It was beautiful. And this is actually my first full TP on GJ and EJ. They actually treated me really nice. So I caught this fib move. And I didn't catch it down here. I was too late. But I caught it when it broke out of these two trend lines. I cannot think of the shape right now. As you see, it's like a triangle. An ascending triangle. Because price was making higher highs. TP's about to hit on that. All right, it's 9:35. That 5-minute candle close. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Look at that. Exactly why you wait on a retest. It spiked up and then came down. And my initial sell could have been right. Which I saw this. And it's still playing around in this 618 area. So is price going to fall and complete this fib? Since I was already in the sale, I'm going to stay in the sale and put my position tool back up. My entry was 33141. Bring my stop loss above this high right here. 166 pips, points. If it get hit, it get hit. But I've been rolling with this since yesterday. So I'm going to keep my original trade analysis. And this is what I want to see on US 30. If price shows me otherwise, I will limit my risk and close my trade early. All right, we'll come back and check on that. Definitely just looks like it's playing around. Today is not the day to play around, US 30, okay? I'm so proud of EJ. They better stop playing with me. We literally 21 pips away. I'm gonna screenshot this. And put this in my chart gallery. That's the dollar. Is the before. All right, let's see what the dollar is doing. So the dollar is really giving me a run for my money because I've been waiting for this fib move to complete. And look at that. Look at it. We going up. We going up. We're going up on a Wednesday, okay? It gave this bullish daily candle yesterday. It was, when I got up and checked it, it was a full candle like this black one. It was a full bullish candle. And it closed halfway looking like it's going to be a pin bar. So I was like, well, maybe it's not finished. And then today we come through and it looks like it's going to continue to push up. So that's exactly what I was looking for. It came to this 50%. And on the daily, we get 3 days. This push up NFP is on Friday. So we shall see what the unemployment claims does to the dollar. But hopefully news matches up with my technical analysis. And we in there. We in there because get this dollar to finish its fib. That's a move. A move 710 pips. Which will send GU, AU, EU, and NU selling. Which I am already prepared for. And I have already entered the sales. And GU is doing lovely. AU and NU on the other hand, they're very, very finicky. Let me see. Entry on GU 26244. Yep. Normally I would just hold it to this 618. But we're gonna hold this. This is gonna be a long-term fall. Where to? Maybe here. At the moment, I don't know because I got to get that push like I want on the dollar. I did not enter EU. It's not even ready to be entered yet. Look at this. This is about what NU and AU is looking like. Trash. Trash, trash, trash. I haven't got one confirmation. It is consolidating. Why? I don't know. I like GU because it's not finicky. It does its job. It comes to do what it's supposed to do. It does it. It moves, and then it moves on with its life. Euro, USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD. I don't know what their problems are. I really don't. I mean, at the moment, I can't even find an entry. It's consolidation. I know I'm looking for a sale. I guess I did have an entry. It broke out of this channel and retested. So technically I did have an entry, but I missed it. And now it looks like price is at a zone. So I get a break and retest. I'm gonna look for a break and retest of this purple line. And I will definitely be selling EU. Yep, it's right at this 200 MA. I'm gonna mark this consolidation up. All that right there. Wait for that to break out and retest this. And I'm going to sell EU. GU is moving nicely. The dollar is pushing up like I want it to. AU, okay. Like I said, this Aussie dollar is weird because why are you buying when the dollar is buying? If the dollar is buying, the Aussie dollar should be selling, right? So what are you doing? What was this move? I woke up, I was in profit last night. Where did I get in at? 71857. US 30 is selling nicely. I am in profit. I'll go back to that in just 1 second. I got in the Aussie dollar at 71857 on a short position. I didn't even set my stop loss, so technically it probably should have hit stop loss already. It's 49 pips. I don't like that candle. Was there some news that I didn't pay attention to? Because why is what I really want to know. Let's see. Maybe this commodity prices this morning at 2:30. But what time did we get this candle spike? This happened at 5 o'clock in the morning. Nope, 8 o'clock. It happened at 8 o'clock. No AUD news. I have no idea where that came from. All right. And the fib also finished on this 4-hour structure. Should have got some type of reverse. I am going to hold this AUD trade just because I know that the dollar is going to buy. So I'm going to look for another entry soon. Oh no, look at EJ. I don't like this candle. I don't like this candle. Trying to see, do I just want to close? It was 21 pips away from my TP. Now it's like 50 pips away. It came so close. Came so close. But you gotta know when to hold and when to fold. I'm closing. What is GJ doing? Oh my gosh. Why are y'all doing me like this? Alright. I'm actually going to take majority of my trade off the table. And I am going to leave stop loss at entry. And I want to see if it's going to come back up and hit full TP. So I had $1.50 trade. I took $1.10, left 40 cents running, and stop loss is at entry. Oh yeah, look at that candle. Look at that candle. Break on out. I got about 10 more minutes and I will be getting off of this live. But we successfully came to do what we were supposed to do, which was catch US 30 trade. That's gonna bust out. If you didn't already get in, wait for it to break this trend line and retest it, and you'll basically get the same entry as me. Break and retest, and then get in. I would look for it on the 5-minute time frame, just because US30 moves so fast. Look at that. I just like being right. But who doesn't like being right in trading? Like, being wrong, you lose money. Being right, you make money. Let's see what's going on with gold. I haven't looked at gold in a couple days. Ooh, look at that. I just put this position tool here. I did not get in. But with it rejecting this trend line right here, I'm getting in now. Where are all these crazy candles coming from today? Is what I really want to know. This one candle is probably 100 pips. 151 in 1 hour. Must be nice for whoever caught that. There's no news until 10 o'clock. We might just stay on till 10:15. I want to see what this manufacturing PMI news does to the market. I'm going to change my entry on this gold trade. And I'm going to put my position tool up for NU. I'm going to leave a stop loss up here above these highs. TP to my next zone. I'll enter in second position. I get a break and retest of this trend line. We got 6 minutes to US30 hour candle close. I have no idea what USD CAD is doing. I'm really about to take it off my watch list because I don't like it. That pair is disgusting to me. Anyways. Look at this candle. I know what it is. It's that 9:30 market open. That's exactly what happened. This candle was 76 freaking pips. It's crazy. I'm holding. I feel like it's about to be a roller coaster ride. I see a trend line here. Possibly can come down to this trend line and continue my buy. If I get signs of rejections, I'm going to enter another position right there. But my current position, price entry is at stop loss. So let's see what EJ looks like. The same thing. It came so close to my TP3. Like, I am sad. It better not fall that far. Like I can make it do something. US 30. Uh-oh. Is this candle gonna close below? I'm up 10 points on US 30. GU is moving. I am up. Is GU up 90 pips already? Wrong one, that's GJ. Goodness gracious. I mean, this is why I love this pair, because structure is just perfect. It moves. Yes, GU is up 90 pips already. That was a beautiful trade. And I have 2 positions open on GU. I'm really about to stop looking at any other pairs besides GU. I think GU, EJ, GJ, the dollar, and US 30 is going to do it for me. I was testing all these other pairs out. I first started off with AU and NU. And they treated me all right. But they move so slow and weird, like really, really weird. They should be correlating with the dollar. But it's not. It's not. Like, how is the dollar buying and you're buying also? So I'm gonna say goodbye to AU, NU, all these other pairs that I was watching on my watch list. GJ, EJ, GU, and US 30. I'm gonna leave gold just because if you box in gold just like US 30, you can get some good money. Now, Euro GBP. Look at this. Like, this moved. I know this ain't 25 pips in a day. This is just too much consolidation. But I don't know. More consolidation. I mean, that was a nice fit move. I have to mark it up. I'm gonna mark it up next week and watch it. This deleting. Keep GJ and EJ. USD ZAR. It's been playing around for a long time. It completed this fib. It's still in this channel. Should be gearing up for a buy. Kind of got this nice double bottom here. I'm gonna continue to watch it. I am gonna continue to watch USD ZAR. Gold is in profit. My dollar trade is in profit. And USD ZAR, the spread is, oh my. The market is open, baby, and it is moving. All right, it's 10 o'clock. What time was that news? 10 o'clock. PMI. What did it do? I have been in a buy on the dollar since yesterday as well, because the broker that I have, I can trade the dollar, which I love. This line looks crooked. I mean, I want to see it go to the moon. This is a daily fib, so this might be a whole month's trade. I've never held a trade that long. I probably won't hold the trade that long. But just to know that I was right will give me more confidence next time to hold a trade that long. All right, it's 10:04. I don't really see anything that PMI is doing to the market. Gold trade is in profit. All of my trades are in profit, which is a beautiful thing. Besides AUD USD, crazy pair. It's coming off my watch list for real. I'm done. It's over. Breaking up. Price is breaking. Let's see what we got on 5 minute. Yup, broken recess. that was your entry. And that's it. I'm done. Y'all have a good trading day. See you guys back live tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see what we can catch in the morning. NFP is Friday, so I am looking for the dollar to shoot to the moon since we just had the great resignation. Non-farm payroll should be down because don't nobody want to keep a job. I mean, why would we when we can trade online or do Instacart or do DoorDash and ain't got to go to nobody's job and worry about nobody micromanage me and tell me what I got to do? I mean, why? But it is what it is. Y'all have a good day and happy trading.